Ang ating gagawing project ngayon ay itong headlight. So over the years, nag-build up yung oxidation. Kasi ang mga bagong headlights kasi, they're made of plastic. Kaya ang gagawin natin ngayon, we're gonna clean them up. At papalitan na rin natin yung headlight bulbs. So, ang gagawin natin, itong lilinisin natin yan para medyo maging katulad nito or better. Okay. So the next things to do is gamitin natin itong mga supplied na papel de liha. Ito 500 grit. This is 800 grit. So ibig sabihin yung the lower the number, mas coarse yung sandpaper. So lagay natin dito sa sanding wheel and nakabit natin dito sa ating wheel. Tayo dito sa 500 grit na papel de liha. So it came with 6. So ginamit na natin lahat dahil ito lang naman ang ayusin natin. So we have 4 800 grit sandpaper. So we're gonna use it 2 on each side. Okay, ito nyo, the first, yung first pass ng 500 grit sandpaper, nagkaroon na ng hazy, pero ang inalis kasi natin doon yung yellow layer, yung yellowing nung ano. So ayun na itsura nila ngayon. So it's hazy dahil may mga dust pa yan ng plastic. And so now we're gonna go for the finer sandpaper, itong 800 grit. Alright, nandito na tayo sa ating final process, which is the wet sanding. Ito yung 3000 grit na smooth for polishing. This would be the final polish. Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna use sa final process. Okay, kailangan this came with 2 packets. So, dalawang packet nito. We're gonna use one, apply 1 coat per headlight, and then come back in about 15 minutes.